Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Wyndham. So first of all, you have to open a web browser and in the top URL section, type down Wyndham and enter it after you're done. And from the results right here, click the first one, that's Wyndham Hotels and Resort. And here we could see we just landed to the Wyndham official homepage, and in the top right corner right over here, there's my account. Click on that option as well and you will get the option here that says sign in or join. If you have not enrolled or made an account, you can simply click on this option. But if you want to log in or sign in, click on this option and you will get an interface like this, and you are required with the username or email address and also your password. And click on the continue after you're done and you'll be successfully logged into your Wyndham. But if you have forgotten your password, don't have access to your password, then click on this option in order to recover or reset your password. So this is it guys. This is how you can log in or sign in to Wyndham. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.